Good afternoon, grade 1. Today we will learn about computer mouse. You all have seen computer mouse in the computer lab. So this is how we draw a computer mouse. In this video we will learn about different parts of computer mouse. First is a right button. On the very right side of the computer mouse is right button. On left side we have left mouse button. On the center of the computer mouse we have a small wheel which is called scroll wheel. So there are three parts of computer mouse. First is right button, second is left button, and third is scroll wheel. Apart from this, there is a wire attached to a CPU.